Come test drive the 2025 Gladiator. The Jeep Gladiator is just the off-road truck that Jeep fans have been waiting on. Enjoy the functionality of a truck while retaining the off-road capability. You'll fall in love with this Jeep Gladiator. This vehicle has less than 100 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: four-wheel drive, heated mirrors, stability control, tire pressure monitor, convertible soft top, driver illuminated vanity mirror, four-wheel disc brakes, fog lamps, front license plate bracket, steel wheels. Come see the car for yourself.